This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda McDonald. Updated first floor Mariposa Viceroy with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Great room floor plan with open kitchen that features large center island with breakfast bar, wood cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances, glass backsplash, pantry, tray ceiling, and dinette. Great room opens to wraparound lanai and is adjacent to formal dining, also with tray ceiling. Entire condo has ceramic 9 inches by 48 inches plank tile flooring including lanai. Master bedroom walks out to lanai and master bath features comfort height with cabinetry, granite counters, frameless shower enclosure, ceramic surround, upgraded sinks, and mirror, comfort height toilet and big walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Guest bath has comfort height cabinetry and toilet, granite counters, custom sink, and mirror. Entry foyer tray ceiling with niche, arch doorways, internet-controlled thermostat, and security system, whole house Culligan water softener. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda McDonald at 239-466-9905.